running, and the desert heat definitely took its toll. So some of the pilots got creative.
People always wonder, how do they change clothes? They definitely fake the video. This is how. Notice how he's moving his fingers through the sleeve. There you go, I'll take it. Every time we don't show this, all the comments are like, fake, fake, fake. The video's not fake.
It's real, guys, it's real.
Before we start going again, I have an offer.
Here we go.
All right, let's hear it. Drink match, bring it in.
This is heavy, boys.
Oh my God.
Mystery briefcases?
Oh no, they're not mystery. Inside these briefcases is $50,000
Oh my God.
to the next one of you to take your hand off the jet.